Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Nomadic Sage. If you're trying to pay your credit card bill of some other bank through HDFC, so in that scenario it could be possible that you might be receiving error like this that says payment failed, and in this video I like to discuss a few of the possibilities that could be prompting this error, and we'll go over them bit by bit. So firstly, let's just say that you have added a biller. By the way, you will get to this portal when you click on the bills, pay bills on your net banking. So then when you click on the add biller, then you will need to enter the details of the credit card, and after that you would click on pay, which would prompt you this page, and then you can click on pay again. And now you will come to the section where you need to specify how much you are paying and how you are paying. So let's say if I enter 15,000 rupees here, and from the payment method I'll just select some of the options that is available to me. Let's say you want to pay through debit card or maybe through your bank account. And by the way, do note that you will only get these two options to pay for your credit card, because you cannot pay a credit card bill through your credit card, which is not allowed. So let's say if you click on debit card, and by the way, why you would like to pay through your debit card is because if you have a good debit card, you might receive some points for paying your credit card bill as well. So for your spend on some credit card, you will receive points on that, but when you pay for that credit card bill through your debit card, then you will also receive points on your debit card as well. So this is the reason that you might want to pay through your debit card. And when I click on debit card and pay now, then it might give me a payment fail error. Now why that might be? So first and foremost, you need to make sure that your net transactions or your online transactions on your debit card are turned on. So if you're selecting debit card as an option, then when you receive the debit card, the online transactions are turned off by default due to RBI guidelines, and you would need to enable those. So let's say you have enabled the online transactions on your debit card, still your payment might be failing when you're trying to pay your credit card bill through your debit card on HDFC. One of the reasons that this could happen is that you have just recently registered the biller. In this case, it is the credit card bank. Then you have to wait some time. It's a cooling off period after the registration of the credit card. So let's say I have just added an IDBI credit card as a biller right now. Then I cannot make the payment right away. I have to wait 2 hours. So after 2 hours I can make a payment, but within these 2 hours the cooling off period will not allow me to make any transaction, not even 1 rupee. So after 2 hours I can make at max a payment of 10,000 rupees. So let's say if I have a bill of 5,000, 6,000, maybe 9,000, then after 2 hours I can pay that amount through HDFC. No problems with that. And if I have a bigger amount, let's say 15,000 rupees, then I have to wait for at least 24 hours before I can make any payment above 10,000 through this method. So I hope this solves a lot of problems for you. Like firstly, you would need to enable online transactions on your debit card, and then you will need to wait for the appropriate amount of time. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And once again, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.